Welcome in the makeup therapy. I'm Manuela. I'm 46 years old makeup lover, let's say like that. I like to do makeup relaxing me. And today I'm coming to you with the Flashback Friday. It's, I believe, 52nd Flashback Friday, and this is my list of my Flashback Friday is gone. I should create another page, but tell me, should I? This is time for Niezłe Ziółko. I supposed to do that the other week, however, I was getting just very unwell and lifing, so this palette is green mainly, like kind of grungy greens, I would say, and yellows, and has mainly very shifty shimmers, very different funky shimmers. So this is how she's look like. And I think that I want to create something not super big, but I really want to use the yellowish color, this one, and then we'll start from that. I used a base from a beauty creation. It's like in the yellow color, obviously you can see, and I use also Star from the Stars BROWSPHERE brow liner in the shade dark brown, and now I'm getting this shade which Wyciąg, I think it's called, or something similar. I'll write maybe, because my vision doesn't exist. And I want to, on the open eye, it's very dusty. The matte from the palette I purchased from Glamshop, they are quite dusty, and they have lots of pigment, and this dustiness help you to blend them. So sometimes when you have dusty palette, it works for your favor. However, you need to remember to not put the face makeup earlier, and I'm trying to escape that kind of ideas. Actually, my unofficial godmother of makeup of YouTube channel, Anna Glam, she was telling during even our live that she preferred to do that because then she can be just free with the creating makeup and clean whatever and have a fresh face. And I agree with her, and I quickly after our life shift to that method, because surely that's easier to just have a fresh face, clean it, put it a primer, you know, even when you're prepping your face and you're just wiping this first layer off, and then you're putting primer. Usually, obviously that's your choice, but you can get the primer with some benefit, nurturing benefits to your skin, so that can help you balance. I think that I will do a little cut crease in that moment with this yellow primer which I was using. There will be yellow on yellow. I just want to have a shimmer over here, and it will be simply look. So I will do the other eye like I showed you, and I'll come back. I will show you back of my head, however it's messy. This is the shimmers I was taking, like the lightest shade from the palette, and I'm showing you which one they are. This one and this middle one, and I will go with this one because it's most reflective, and I think it like has kind of taupe silver gold super shade actually, and it is flaky. So I prepare my skin with the primer called Magic Fix, and I hope for magic because it is flaky shade. So I using the same brush I was applying the Magic Fix, and I'll try especially work with the edges of that look. And I think that I'll put like liner and maybe red lips. And that will be the look. So come back to this, will take me forever, but they're looking very beautiful. Okay, so this is my application without liner, without anything, and now I will fix my face, finish everything, and show you final look, okay? This is my final look with the Niezłe Ziółko from Glamshop palette, which contain quick matte, 6 shimmers and only 3 mattes. But even with these 3 mattes, you have lighter shade, like a middle tone, and then dark. So you can even make a matte look with this little palette. But shimmers are really spectacular. This one which I use, it's the most flaky, and I apply with, as you could see on the beginning, with the brush, but just for the edges kind of, and then I apply with the finger and come on, it's just like crazy reflective and amazing. And the Magic Fix, this product here, I really feel like keeping it in place even when I have very hoodie eyes. I feel the difference, you know. I don't have this kind of thinner place. I have this product everywhere and stayed in well. So this is no complaint. Very dusty shimmers with the good pigment. They will blend, they play well, but eyeshadow first. That's the rule. And I think that's the rule with Glamshop generally, so far, the one which I hold in my poses. So how I finished my look, you could see I was telling you that I will use the liner. I was using liquid liner with the Cosmic Creations, Beauty Creations, Bratz X Beauty Creations. This is double end. I use just the liquid one for the top. On my in my waterline we have a yellow liner from Beauty Bay. Then my foundation is House Lab foundation. This is a House Lab Beauty by Lady Gaga. Oh my god, what is the name? This is very complicated name. This packaging. Okay, that's one. That's a new because I finished my Kiko Milano. But I have something Kiko Milano on my face, my bronzer, OG bronzer, Baked bronzer. I use also Bahama Mama bronzer, softly, but and Luminoso glossy blush to keep it like kind of classy, and very tiny little bit this Moon Dust by Pastel Roses. This one is like peachy base, but it's very light, almost white light from that highlight. So I was thinking that it will give me more freshness to the face, which I was looking for, while I plan to use the red lipstick. So the lipstick is from Glamshop. It's my favorite lipstick. I also got it from my friend from Spain. She's loving it, so she gave me her favorite shade, and I really, this is perfect red. And I used the lip liners from PLouise. The one which I really like, it's No Problems, but by mistake I used the lighter one. It's a little bit too pinky when I put it on, and it's Don't Call Me. So call me because I have no problem. No problem preference. So this is my preference. So I apply this one, but I was like, girl, you don't want to be pink. You want to keep that kind of red and yellow and hello, something special with shine. Yeah, very nice. No problem, very nice. I really like it. And then I use something new also from Charmacy. I use the mascara, black mascara. No, it's okay. My favorite mascara is currently is this DC. I'm a fan. I wish to have more colors. But what I wish, I don't need. Tell me, what do you think about this? Should I create another page with the rolling up looks? I will try to find the first look with this palette. I don't know what I was happy with it or not, but I am happy with this one. I feel boosted. I feel beautiful. I think that this foundation also is laying very nice. It's a little bit too dark, but when I see in the camera now, I feel like it's right. So tell me, what do you think about it? Do you have this House Lab foundation? Tell me all the thoughts. I wear them first time. I wear it first time. I try to wear it, but then I mix it with Kiko Milano. Now it's individual performer. So, and what I forgot, I use also a little bit of the concealer, just very little bit, because I was feeling like it will give me something more lighter, because yeah, because I felt that this is not my shade of the foundation. But I hope that sun will help me to catch up with the foundation. Love and kisses to you. Take care of yourself. Have a fabulous weekend. If you celebrate anything, I hope that it will be your renewal time. I know that this video is coming after the full moon, so we should be heading to some interesting times, and I hope that it will be something new, something good for your soul. All the best. Bye.